people that come in and making friends and just talking to everybody there. I love the people and being able to talk to people easily and have a mutual understanding for the love of the town. I love to draw. Pickles as a comfort food because I have always loved them and they're always there for me when I need them most. I love to spend time with my friends and hang out with them, and they're always there for me. Most memorable birthday was the melting pot when I was 13. Right now, well, I would say to me, Dorothea Dix, because she created she advocated the treatment for people who were mentally ill whenever they were being treated poorly. To be a strong woman, you have to be independent, have good morals, and be able to stand up for others in times of need. Home is Mooresville and my friends.